All right. So this is a brand new circuit board. Nothing's been soldered, done to it. And you can see I have a paper towel here. It's mostly clean. I'm gonna rub this board. Okay, so rub the other side. Okay, so not so much now. I'll take some of the Bright Boy polish, and I'm gonna just kind of put it on with my fingers. Just kind of wipe a thin film on the fingers. Let it dry for a second or two. All right, so now, again, clean part of the cloth, okay. Okay, let's try the other side. Get a new clean part here. Okay. So now I have a very clean connector. So, anyway, this is like gold immersion, you know, so it's not hard gold on the fingers, but you know, this thing goes through a factory. Factory has a process, you know. Anyways, the point of this video is you want to clean your edges with Bright Boy or some kind of polish. Rubbing alcohol is not the best way to do that. So, but I would say that if you have nothing else or no other choice, rubbing alcohol is probably better than nothing.